I'm here with Iain Smith of Fisher Smith, who have recently joined Flowlens. And welcome to Flowlens, Iain.
Thank you, Rich. Yeah, we're a small company doing industrial machine vision systems, which is camera-based systems, usually for quality control in production processes. And we were looking for a product really to unify our sales and operations side of the business and bring that onto a cloud-based platform. And certainly with the COVID pandemic, we found ourselves working from home a lot more and relying on a desktop-based system running a lot of our business processes very much was starting to feel painful for us. And we trialed a number of systems, spent quite a lot of time researching and going into some detail, and really found that Flowlens, when we demoed it to key members of staff as we went through that selection process, was the one that really rang out as being friendly to look at and easy to use, but gave us the functionality that we needed. It also, very importantly, gives us the sort of complete business picture in one place, that our salespeople can see orders, purchases, contact with customers, the same as our order admin can also see whether there are other quotes in the process, whether they're good payers. All this information is visible across the system, which really gives us an insight that we never had before with our systems. And we've been able to get going with it reasonably quickly. So obviously there's data to transfer across from existing systems to the new, but that's been reasonably painless, and we've been well supported and looked after by Flowlens and their team to help us wherever we needed it as we go along that path, and give us training so that we're able to best make use of the system.
Thank you, Iain, and thank you. Welcome aboard.
Yeah, no problem. It's good. We're getting on well with it, and we're enjoying it. So yeah, it's all positive.